it. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. Can you lift it up, Sadie?
Okay, let's bring it inside. Let's get the groceries.
Come on, Sadie. Come on, you can bring it in. They're good, good. You're up the next step. You're up to the next step. Good job.
Sadie, just give Mommy the milk. You can carry the popcorn. Why do you carry this? I must carry the milk.
Okay, okay, Sadie. We could break it up individually.
Okay, why don't we do that? Here, that's a good idea. Sadie, look. Sadie, look. Sadie, look. Here. Can you carry this milk to Daddy? Can you carry that milk to Daddy? There you go. There's 3 milks in here. Well, I don't know.
Okay, well now that we've... Okay, Sadie. Yeah, now that you've taken a bag out.
Bring that one.
Okay, Sadie. Good, good, good. No, Abby, don't show it to her. Just bring it in.
Here, Dad.
Sadie, can you bring the milk in?
Can you bring the milk in now? All right.
You strong,
Good
baby.
job. Good job. You did it. You got it. You're being such a big help.
You got it, baby.
Good girl.
Good girl. Let me get these groceries out of your way. Come on in.
Come on, buddy. You got it. Don't give up.
You got it. You
Don't give up, Sadie.
Don't give up. Don't give
You
up.
got it.
Don't give
Can you bring it into the kitchen? Can you bring it into the kitchen? Good girl. Good girl. So good. So good.
Carry it. Yeah.
Oh, all the way. Let's go all the way.
All the way to the fridge.
Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that.
Hey, you can do it.
You got it, buddy. It's all you.
You got it.
Why don't you take one each? Take one at a time.
He's gonna carry both. Sadie, you can do it like this.
Here, Abby, go put that one in the fridge.
Good, good girl. Good girl. Take it into the kitchen.
Here, take that one into the kitchen and come back and get this one.
Come back and get the other
Carry
one.
both of them. Here, put your arms out like this.
I think maybe she just wants a drink of milk. Do you want some milk, Sadie?
Let's bring it in. Let's bring it in. You bring this one, I'll bring this one, okay?
Let's go.
Let's go.